Good afternoon. My name is Kelly Fripps, and I'm a Health Promotion Disease Prevention Program Manager. And today I'm going to talk to you about managing stress during the holiday season. Many of us have different feelings about the holidays. For some, this is a time of year that brings on religious celebrations. For some, it's a time to be with family and friends. And for some, it means lots of shopping and busyness. And for some, the holiday may bring about loneliness. And for many, the holidays are a time of stress and bring on feelings of depression. We all experience stress. Nobody's exempt from stress. So how do we manage stress? How do we know we are under stress? We may have difficulty concentrating. We may have feelings of worry and fear. We may feel wound up. Our muscles may be tight and tense, sweaty palms, a pounding heart. We may have irritability towards others, and we also may feel tired. So if you're having an emotional crisis, please call the Veterans Crisis Line at 1-800-273-8255. You can also text 838-255 or chat online at www.veteranscrisisline.net. If you'd like spiritual care for emotional crisis, that's available for any veteran experiencing grief, anxiety, stress, or depression during the holidays. You can call the chaplain's office between 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. at 404-321-6111, extension 206870. After hours, you can request a chaplain through the Veterans Crisis Line at 1-800-273-8255. And now I'm going to go over some practical tips for reducing your stress or preventing stress and depression. First, you want to acknowledge your feelings. If someone close to you has recently died and you can't be with loved ones, realize that it's normal to feel sadness and grief. It's okay to take time to cry or express your feelings. You can't force yourself to be happy just because it's the holiday season. Reach out to others. If you're feeling lonely or isolated, seek out community, religious, or other social events. They can offer support and companionship. Volunteering your time to help others also is a good way to lift your spirits and broaden your friendships. Be realistic. The holidays don't have to be perfect or just like last year. Families change and grow. Traditions and rituals often change as well. Choose a few to hold on to and be open to creating new ones. For example, if your adult children can't come to your house, find new ways to celebrate together, such as sharing pictures, emails, or videos. Facebook or FaceTime them as well. You want to set aside differences. Try to accept family members and friends as they are, even if they don't live up to all your expectations. Set aside grievances until a more appropriate time for discussion. And be understanding if others get upset or distressed when something goes awry. Chances are they're feeling the effects of holiday stress and depression too. Stick to your budget. Before you shop, decide how much money you can afford to spend, and then stick to your budget. Don't try to buy happiness with an avalanche of gifts. You can try these alternatives. You can donate to a charity in someone's name. You can give a homemade gift, which is inexpensive, or start a family gift exchange. Plan ahead. Set aside specific days for shopping, baking, cooking, visiting friends, and other activities. Plan your menus and then make time for your shopping list to prevent last-minute scrambling to buy forgotten ingredients. And make sure you line up help for party prep and cleanup. Learn to say no. Saying yes when you should say no can leave you feeling resentful and overwhelmed. Friends and colleagues will understand if you can't participate in every project or activity. If it's not possible to say no when your boss asks you to work overtime, try to remove something else from your agenda to make up for the lost time. And don't abandon healthy habits. Don't let the holidays become a free-for-all. Overindulgence only adds to your stress and your guilt. You can try these suggestions. You can have a healthy snack before holiday parties so you don't go overboard on sweets, cheese, or drinks, or other goodies. Get plenty of sleep, and incorporate regular physical activity into your day. And regular physical activity will help you to get better sleep. Take a breather. Make some time for yourself. Spending just 15 minutes alone without distractions may refresh you enough to handle everything you need to do. Reduce your stress by clearing your mind, by slowing your breathing, and restoring inner calm. And some ways to do this may include taking a walk at night, looking at the stars, listen to soothing music, get a massage. You can read a book, you can meditate or pray, and you can use relaxation techniques. And do seek professional help if you need it. If you feel persistently sad or anxious, if you're plagued by physical complaints, if you're unable to sleep, if you feel irritable and hopeless, if you're unable to face routine chores, seek professional help. Don't let the holidays become something you dread. Take steps to prevent the stress and depression. Recognize your holiday triggers, such as financial pressures or personal demands, so you can combat them before they lead to a meltdown. Plan ahead and think positively, and you can find peace and joy during the holidays. And again, if you're having an emotional crisis, please call the Veterans Crisis Line at 1-800-273-8255, or you can text 838-255, or you can chat online at www.veteranscrisisline.net. And if you need spiritual care for emotional crisis, again, that's available for any veteran experiencing grief, anxiety, stress, or depression during the holidays. You can call the chaplain's office between 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. at 404-321-6111, extension 206870. After hours, you may request a chaplain through the Veterans Crisis Line at 1-800-273-8255. And I hope I've given you some tips today to help you to better manage your stress during the holiday season, and I wish you all a happy and healthy holiday.
As you know, most veterans feel a lot of stress when they come to this facility because of the parking. Can you address dealing with that type of stress?
Yes, I can. Right now we're doing construction to add more parking spots to make it better in the long run, the long term. And we have 3 places where the veterans can park and then pick up a shuttle. We have the Briarcliff Baptist Church. We have another church where you're able to go and park, and then the shuttle can bring you here. So that's a very good way, and you can avoid all the parking stress.
And stress during the holidays can you talk about some of the reasons why people tend to be more stressed out during the holidays than other parts of the year? What are some of the common things that happen during the holidays that make it so stressful for some folks?
Yes, I think the holiday times is a time it's more stressful because there's more pressure put on people. There's extra spending going on. People are spending money that they may not have. Everybody's trying to juggle having parties, work, and other areas having parties and things that they're working on, and so that adds to the stress of the season. People that don't have loved ones with them, that adds a little additional stress. If they've lost someone in, like, say, the past year, it's more stress for them that they don't have a loved one to be with them during the holiday season, and that adds to the stress.
Are there programs, classes that veterans can come to the VA to take advantage of to reduce stress?
Yes, absolutely. We have stress reduction. You can, in every clinic that you may be assigned to, any primary care clinic, they have mental health providers that are able to see you, and so you can come set up appointments with them, and they can teach you about stress reduction, and that can help you to better manage your stress year-round, and especially during the holiday season as well.
That's great information. Are those programs also available for family members or just the veteran?
It's just for the veterans, and if there are any that are available for the family members, they can speak to their mental health provider and find out if there are any where the family members may be able to attend.
This is a lot of great information. Any closing comments that you'd like to make?
No, I wish you all a happy, healthy holiday season, and just remember, the season shouldn't be where you should dread the season. You can prevent a lot of stress and depressing feelings by taking it easy and taking some of these things into account.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.